for today. And today we're going to explore the fascinating topic of space exploration. Now, the lesson is lesson 6, and we're going to look at listening for comprehension. And the main theme, as I have just indicated to you, is space exploration. Now, let's do a fun activity to start our lesson with. Now, you can see I've written the word space nicely here on the board, very big. So I'm going to get each and every one of you. You just tell me a word or a phrase you think is related to our theme for today. So let me start with Abdi. Abdi, what do you think is any word or phrase you think is related to space? Oh, Robes, good. Robes. Let me write that. Robes. Good. Now let me move to Anne. Anne, what do you have to say? Moon. Yes, you can't be talking about space exploration without obviously mentioning the moon. Yes, very, very important. Okay, yes, let me get the next one. Okay, solar system. Okay, good. Solar system. Let me put that. Solar system. Solar system. Solar system. Good. Now let me move on to my good friend Abubakar. Yes, Abubakar, what do you have to say? Oh, moon landers. Okay, somebody mentions moon, you say moon landers. Very good, very good. Now let me take 2 more. I think we are almost filling up our board. Let me take 2 more, and then I think we astronauts. Oh, you just mentioned astronauts? Good. Astronauts. Good. Astronauts. Okay. Alright. Then any other one? Okay. I think the last one, he says inner planets, outer planets. Oh, you know about inner planets? And then let me put outer planets here. Outer planets. Very good. Good. So what we have done is we have created what we call a word map out of our theme for today. And here we have rovers, we talk about astronauts, solar system, outer inner planet, moon, landers, and then we also have moon. That is very good, excellent. I'm really impressed with what you have done today. Now, what we're going to do now is we'll be discussing this briefly as we move along. But the next thing I want us to do is to go ahead and then please remember, put this down. We'll revisit it. This is what we call a word map. We'll come back, and when it's time for us to write our reflective journal, we'll make very good use of it. So remember to keep it. So now let's quickly discuss our objectives for the lesson. So quickly, let's go over and look at our objectives for the lesson. So here we go with our objectives for the lesson. Now our first objective is to be able to listen for specific information and details as far as space exploration is concerned. And our second objective will be to demonstrate comprehension by answering questions about the video content. And thirdly, you should be able to engage in discussions about space exploration and also share your opinions and thoughts. And finally, all of us here will be able to practice speaking skills by participating in interactive speaking activities related to the topic of exploration. There will be a lot of activities that will be undertaken as far as this objective is concerned, so that by the time we are done with this lesson, all of us here will be able to practice some speaking and make very good use of whatever skills we are able to obtain from this listening activity. So let us take note of that. Now, having looked at our objectives for the lesson, I think it's now time for us to delve deep into our main topic. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a video about space exploration. Now, once I show you the video, you will have to watch and listen carefully, because at the end of the video, I'm going to give some comprehension questions for you to answer in order to test your understanding as far as the content of the video is concerned. Now, but before we even go ahead and look at the video, let us quickly preview some important vocabulary we are likely to come across in the course of the video. Now, the first word I would like us to have a look at is the word astronaut. I remember this came up during our warm-up when Abubakar mentioned astronaut. Now, who's an astronaut? Or a person who is trained to travel and perform tasks in space is an astronaut. In fact, they usually work in spacecraft, they conduct experiments, and sometimes you even find them living on space stations for extended periods of time. And the second word is orbit. The path that a planet, moon, or spacecraft follows around another celestial body, such as the Earth around the Sun, or a satellite around the Earth. Okay, so at this juncture,